My father always tell us that if you can do it 100%, do it. If you only do 99%, don't do it. So 100%, just go for it. My name is Mohamed Dufail, I'm 36 this year. I'm a third generation running a Sin Ming Roti Prata. It's passed on by generation. So my granddad, my dad, and dad to us. It's my brother and me, so we both running Sin Ming Roti Prata. I major in engineering, so I worked as a junior engineer for almost like 3 to 4 years. So my brother is the one who took over. For that particular time, I thought of, okay, when I just go and help him a bit. And at the same time, I was working, so when I get my off days, when I got time off, I just go and help him. It slowly became my interest. When I give it a try, just go for it. When we start off, right, so usually my dad is the one who shows us the step. So when we're doing, take the masala, is to take and just throw. Then you take the salt, take the sugar. First few try, you don't get it correct. Sometimes too salty. It happens that we do one big pot. In the end, the pot of curry have to discard. So from there, I start to observe. Then I see what can I do to make it more precise. My father used to be very fast. For him, we are new to that, to the cooking, so we're a bit slow. From there, we have to speed ourselves. Then we have to remember more or less I reached that level. For us, we doesn't have a specific role. Hey, you do this, you finish this, you can go back. There's no such thing. My father always tell us that you want to do something, you must know from A to Z. My dad put up so much hard work, sacrifice to build the Sin Ming Roti Prata. That's one reason I want to carry on his legacy to the best level I could. So I told my mother, I went to quit my engineering and really join my family business. Typical reaction, why? What happened? My father is very happy that someone is coming in. My father do his routine, morning check, take the sugar, take the salt, that's his style. He need to be there every day. So I create a SOP for this amount of flour, need this amount of water. Once I done that, then I ask my dad, taste is it okay? Once you reach the standard, means okay, that's it. This amount of things needed. Incorporate all my engineering skills to different sector. During my father time, the taste started to change. A lot of people doing prata. So my father changed a bit, then we changed a bit to make it stand out from the rest. We have the same customer, so keep on coming in. So we want to give something different to them. So that's why we thought of introduce some other cuisines like Thai cuisine and Western, then North Indian, we're doing tandoori, all those things. Back then we don't have any menu card for our customer to show what we have. It's just that pictures on the signboard. So we come up with creating a menu card. Then after that, telling my customers where we are and what we're doing. If you want to step into the F&B line, the quality you must have, you're willing to sacrifice. So for me, sacrifice all my personal timing. I have to dedicate all my timing to this line to learn and master the skill. You have to come up from your comfort zone in order to want to stand up from the rest. You have to wake up early, very early in the morning, and prepare to go very late. Most of the time we're in the kitchens. The environment is pretty warm, so we have to adapt to that. At the end of the day, the dish tastes good and the customer is satisfied. The main aim is to do franchise. Engineering, we plan, right? So plan stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. This is my stage 2, which is open a restaurant. Okay, done. It took about 7 years for me to achieve that one level up. So now we have to maintain the same quality because now we're doing bigger scale. Once that thing is passed, then I can go to the next level. Human nature are from small, they have to go bigger. You can go for stage 3, to franchise. Why not go to the place if you don't see Prata and people don't know what Prata is? They introduce to them. So in Europe, it's Paris or London. The quote inspired me to run day to day. What I quote my father, if you can think to do it 100%, then you do it. If you think that you can only do 99%, then better don't do it. So 100% just go for it. I take that quote and apply it in my life and my work. To summarize my journey, the book give a title as Number to Spices because I was from an engineering background, dealing with numbers, calculations, now to kitchen, dealing with spices, masala and making prata. So I named my book as Numbers to Spices.